we're in an area where huge cannons, no, are facing the Mediterranean Sea. An example of cannons. A cannon is here. So there are several cannon compartments. We're in the Citadel of Alexandria. This is a fortress, no, facing the Mediterranean Sea. We're in Alexandria, Egypt, the city named after the great or Alexander the Great. Okay, so you have a lot of chambers here, protective chambers. Okay. Okay. Structure is solidly built. Siguro minor na mga repairs. Still very okay na, kasama ako. Ganda, no? Yeah. Okay.